let's do some work with dominoes. So when I'm working with students with dominoes, I'm going to ask them first of all, how many do you see on each half? So I would want them to supertise that I've got 0 on one side and 4 on the other here. What happens when I add them together would be my next question. So 4 add 0 or 0 add 4. Again, explain that both, doesn't matter whether you start 0 add 4, 4 add 0. 4 add 0 makes more sense because you're starting from the biggest number, but you get the same answer. I would also go, so what if I did 4 take away 0? Oh, actually I'm still on 4. Then I'd pull out a different one. So here I've pulled out supertise. What do I see? I see 5, I see 1. What happens if I add them together? 5 and 1 is 6. What if I do 5 take away 1? 4. So really simple early maths, just getting that fluency just with dominoes. Okay, what if I pull out 5 and 6? So if I've got 5 and 6, I'm going to supertise and say that I know what those numbers are. How am I going to add 5 add 6? Now at the early stages, students are going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they're going to count all the dots. That's okay, but I'd like to see students go, well, I know 5 and 6 are 1 apart on the number line, so I could use my near doubles, so double 5 plus 1 more, or double 6 minus 1 would be the way I would expect them to be developing that number sense. Might also pull out this one, so I've got double 4. I would hope them they could supertise 4. What's 4 add 4? 4 add 4 is 8, that's a doubles fact. What if I do 4 take away 4? Or if I've got the same number and I take away the same number, I end up with 0. So you can get lots and lots of maths just by playing around asking the add, subtract, supertise question with dominoes.